Okay, so both have the same parameter, but we're trying to find the value of x. So what is the parameter of this? A square. So all sides equal. Okay, 6, 6, 6, 6. So parameter of square, square, 6 times 4 equals to 24. Okay, rectangle, all these must add up to 24 as well. If this is x, this is x. This is x plus 8. Okay, the opposite side must be x plus 8. So let's write out your equation. X plus x plus x plus 8 plus x plus 8. Okay, equals to 24. Open up all the brackets. Okay, x plus x plus x plus 8 plus x plus 8 equals to 24. Rearrange. How many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x plus 8 plus 8 plus 16 equals to 24. 4x must be equals to 24 minus 16 equals to 8. 4x equals to 8. X must be 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. X equals to 2 cm.
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system, proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns in questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam-smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Recife, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning. Boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved 4 A stars, the equivalent of 4 AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.